What do you want to say to Andres?
Downstairs, biatch.
It says, Yach. Do you want to change it?
Merry Christmas!
Hi, hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Folks, it is absolutely freezing. So we have, oh, this is a very comfortable spot. I don't know what today's vlog is gonna be. I do think we're gonna cook something pretty tasty later because I've been waiting for it. Today I was supposed to have my show, my Christmas story that I'm going to tell. It's been postponed to next week, which kind of sucks because I had people that were gonna come today, but also kind of doesn't suck because it's still gonna happen next week and I'm just like, now I have a day to chill. I just would like to take a little bit of time off of working so much and just kind of like spend time with people that I care about and just like my dog and just kind of like lounge and just like find a nice balance between the two. I feel like I've been going out a lot, and like that's the other thing too is like since I've kind of gotten into just more of like a comedy world, it's been really cool because it's like, oh, here's an entire community and like lifestyle, and like I really like that. But I also am just like, oh my god, between like working in restaurants again and also doing all this stuff, like it's just, you're out so late all the time. I really think I need to just like sit down and kind of figure out in the next year what I want like some goals to be. And obviously this is not a new thought that I'm getting at here. I think it's called New Year's resolutions, bitch. Anyways, I think I've just been putting off figuring stuff out is where I'm at. Like there's just like quite a few things that I'm like, okay, I know like in my back of my head, I'm like, okay, I need to like sit down. I need to like write a bunch of stuff out. Like I've been trying to journal daily and like also, I don't know. I just feel like both in the sense of like where I'm at mentally, but also like physically and also like work-wise. Like, I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm right on the edge of like, okay, I need to just do kind of like a big overhaul of stuff. Like, I don't know if I'm making any sense right now. Hi, it's early. Welcome to Vlogmas. But that's how I'm kind of feeling. But it's like, I also kind of know I'm actively putting it off because I'm just like, I'm also just kind of trying to enjoy where I'm at right now. I'm like, do I feel like a little scattered? Sure. Does everything feel like a little out of my control and like a little scary sometimes? Definitely. But it's also like, I don't know. I'm just trying to feel it out. Like, that's the thing. I'm like, it's also like, there's lots of good things that come with that. And like, it's kind of, I don't know. I feel like when things are scary, it's also kind of like some of the fun parts of that is like, it's also exciting or like, I don't know. It's just, I'm trying to enjoy these times is what I'm saying. And so that's why I'm laying here on the couch in a giant blanket. Yeah. No, I did wake up this morning though and was like, okay, well, I don't have a show today. And I got off of work. Like I blocked off my whole day so that I could, because I was supposed to be at the theater pretty early. And so I'm like, well, I'm no longer doing that. I kind of don't have any plans for today, which is dope because it like, I don't know. What I'm saying is like, I've been kind of wanting to take like a Christmas break day, you know what I mean? Where it's like, ooh, you just like drink hot chocolate and like sit in a blanket and like play video games. Is that just my Christmas? I don't know.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side.
Bruh, the number one thing I have realized from doing Vlogmas this year, and every year, but especially this year, is I really push the limits of being on time. Why? I don't know why I'm this way, but I'm like, oh, I have so much time. It's like, I can take my time getting ready. I can like I just distract myself. Like, I end up just talking to people on the phone forever. Like, I was like, okay, I have an hour and a half until I need to leave the house because we're gonna go get some Christmassy donuts, which I'm very excited about. I was trying to think what I want to do today. It's so cold out that I was like, I don't know, just like coffee and donuts and like a nice little chilled walk sounds delightful. Also, excuse me. Hey Siri, text Andres.
What do you want to say to Andres?
Downstairs, biatch.
It says, Yach, do you want to change it or send it?
Oh, look at this convenient parking spot that I'm going to pull into. It's not really a parking spot, but it is for me now. Anyways, okay, now I can actually focus on you. Hi. I look a little bit like, I feel like an almost hot, like, 80s mom. You know, that's the vibe that I'm going for. Whatever, I am what I am. I did blow dry my hair because I was like, I'm late, but I don't want my hair to freeze, you know? Also, I told Andres to bring me gloves because it's cold and I was rushing, so I didn't grab mine. And I was like, bring me some big burly gloves. And he was like, I think I found some Wreck-It Ralph size gloves. Anyways, sometimes he's funny. We're gonna go have some little Christmas donuts, etc. So I'll show you all that. And then I've invited Iris over for dinner. She might have to work tonight, so we don't know if that'll actually happen, but I think I'm just gonna do like a big vegetable dinner because I haven't done one of those in a while, and they're so good. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're gonna start with donuts and with vegetables. Life is about balance, you know, baby. I don't know what I'm saying. This is gonna be a great, fun, exciting day, folks.
I don't want to be in your vlogs, dude.
You don't want to be in my vlog?
You're gonna come out, there's gonna be like a sex scandal that comes out about you, and I just don't want to be attached to, you know, what happens when that does.
This is your big break, dude.
This is the kind of parties
I'm
you
done
attend.
hiding. We got a tri-flight. I'm very excited. We got little donuts. We got a dummy.
People care about what you do?
Oh my god. Give me your review. Which one was the best?
Oh, which one was the best? The best one was the Emmy Lou. It tastes like a flower-filled meadow warmed by the sun. That's an original review, yeah. You pair that with the honey donut, so I'd say 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5. Company, probably like 1 out of 5.
I am home. Okay, we're doing a full spread vegetable dinner. I have gone ahead and started because I was talking to Iris. Got some potatoes boiling. What I'm gonna do is boil these just so like the insides are soft, and then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like smash them and then put them in the oven so they get nice and crisp. This is not an original concept if you've ever been on the internet. I also have some broccolini that I've just put a little bit of olive oil on. I'm gonna do some just like nice salt and things. Andreas, who you met today, is very cute, and he got me some like nice olive oils because I told him I really like going to this fancy olive oil store. So he got some like nice salts and like little samplers of stuff. So I think I'm gonna put like specialty salts, like black truffle sea salt, on a little bit of broccolini. Sounds delicious. I also thought about doing like an infused olive oil on the broccolini, but I didn't know if it would be like a waste. So instead, what I'm planning is I think I am going to do some fancy salts, and then I actually already have some. We shop at the same place. I'm going to do just like olive oil and salt with this ciabatta baguette that I bought. I've also got a tomato, some basil, and burrata that I'm going to put out. This looks like delicious burrata also. And I have some parsley that I'm going to put on the potatoes along with, I got this very fancy hot sauce. It's a habanero sauce, which I was going for a buffalo initially, so I'm still kind of like on the fence of whether, like, also this one's such like a nice, it's really expensive like hot sauce too, so I'm kind of like, maybe I'll save this for like for pure hot sauce purposes and just use Cholula or something on the potatoes, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. We'll show you. But I got like sour cream to make kind of like a blue cheese buffalo potato situation. I'm also cutting up a bunch of cheese. I have like a dill, which is this one. It's like a dill Havarti that's really good. This is some kind of like fancy cheddar. And then this other one, I don't even really know, but it was just like a nub and it was $3, so I went ahead and got it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be filled with some vegetables, filled with some cheese, some carbs. What more could one really want?
We could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side.
I am very excited to present this spread. Would you like to know more?
Please tell me more. I'm very interested.
We have 3 types of cheese and olives, grilled broccolini, crackers for the cheese. I know you, Ira, will not care about this, but we got a burrata, which looks delicious with some salted Spiced tomatoes with balsamic and basil. Queso for the classic folk like myself. Some bread, chips, salsa, and then some potatoes.
Is it cohesive? Maybe not.
Yeah, I could take my 3 layers of pants off. 'Cause I'm tired.
I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side